Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In Excel, any combination of numbers and letters entered into a cell is treated as a text entry, not a numeric entry. Text entries use a left alignment by default in the cells into which they are entered. As you enter information into a cell, remember that you must leave the cell to finish data entry. If you look in the status bar, notice Excel goes into enter mode when you enter new information into a blank cell. It does not return to ready mode until you move to a new cell. This is a very common problem for new Excel users. Many new users enter information into a cell and then go to modify or edit it in some way without first leaving the cell, only to find that there aren't very many commands available to use while Excel remains in its enter mode. Long text entries will also appear to spill over into the next cell to the right only if the next cell to the right is blank. If you move into the next cell to the right and then start typing, the previous cell's entry appears as if it has been cut off by the entry made to its right. Don't worry, it hasn't. Excel just can't display all of the text entered into the first cell, so it truncates the display. If you click the original cell and then look into the formula bar, the cell's true entry appears there. So you really haven't lost any data entry. However, you will probably want to correctly display the entry in the worksheet before printing or displaying it. You can do that by widening the column in which you created the original entry. We will examine resizing columns and rows in a later chapter. For now, it is just helpful to note that what is displayed in a worksheet cell may not be exactly what the cell contains.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.